Did you know International Women's Day was almost a men's day? Just kidding. But here's a fun fact. The day's official color purple symbolizes justice and dignity. In 1917, Russian women sparked a strike on March 8 that led to their right to vote. Born from the fire of activism, International Women's Day started in 1909 as National Women's Day in the US. It went global in 1911 after Clara Zetkin, a fierce feminist, proposed it at an international conference. The UN adopted it in 1975, turning it into a worldwide movement for equality. In India, International Women's Day is a mix of celebration and reflection. While cities host marches, panel talks, and break the bias campaigns, rural areas see grassroots workshops on education and health. Indian women are smashing ceilings, from ISRO scientists to Olympic medalists, but challenges like safety gaps and unequal pay persist. On this Women's Day, we hit the streets to hear what people really think. Let's dive into their perspectives.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi. So, do you think celebrating Women's Day on a specific day is important?
Yes, it is
Okay.
in our country and all over, I suppose, because they are not recognized as much as women should be recognized.
Okay.
Yeah. So it is important, and one day is specified. So it's a reminder the whole year that a woman is making efforts, and whatever she's doing is just taken so much for granted still.
Okay.
And women themselves are not yet out of it. They are into that still mode. If you see mixed in society, there are mixed people.
Okay.
So still some are doing too much, like taking care of women too much, giving them all the love, giving them all the attention, and too much is also sometimes bad. But in some families it's still like it's far off. They are not educated, they're not given priority, they're not asked to make decisions, and neither are they taking interest. They are also, women are also taking backseat happily. They don't even know, like they're not even aware like where they stand and why should not they put their foot down.
Right. So awareness should be there.
Awareness has to be there. This day has to be celebrated. It has to be announced. It should be, in fact, done more, I suppose. Should be done. More awareness has to come. Like in our, especially Indian society, or I suppose in many countries, there is too much of gaps. There's an educated person, like not just education, I mean institutional education, but even otherwise people are far off from where they should be performing in every field.
Right.
There are lots of gaps, so their gaps need to be filled.
आप आज सब लोग क्या कर रहे हो? कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो विमेंस डे? कैसे सेलिब्रेट करते हो? विश करके? किसको विश किया आपने?
मेरी मम्मी को।
मम्मी को विश किया? पापा को भी विश किया विमेंस डे?
और जो बाहर
मम्मी को
और जो बाहर के आंटी लोगों उनको भी किया।
आंटी को भी किया। वेरी नाइस।
ग्रीटिंग कार्ड बना के उनको।
ग्रीटिंग कार्ड बनाया आपने? वेरी नाइस, वेरी क्यूट।
I give chocolate to my mom.
You give chocolate to your mom. Very nice, very thoughtful.
Give a gift like a clip of
Hair clip.
Yes.
Very thoughtful. Hair clips are very much necessary for women. Okay, ma'am. So, how important is Women's Day to you?
It's very important to me. We have to celebrate it. We are going outside for celebration.
Okay.
It's very much important to me.
मैम आप कैसे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हो आज वुमेन्स डे में?
बस हमारा फैमिली साथ में है और किधर जाते नहीं हम लोग।
Okay.
हमारा हस्बैंड इधर भी नहीं है, हमें अकेले इधर है।
Okay.
किधर बाहर नहीं जाते, हम घर पे ही बस कुछ नया
साथ में लेके जाऊंगी।
Okay, definitely.
मेरी
We'll
फ्रेंड्स
enjoy
है तो
together.
we will enjoy together.
Nice.
हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट किया गार्डन से, फ्रेंड सर्कल का, वुमेन डे का। अभी घर पे जाके देखते क्या करने का वो देखते।
ये भी तो सेलिब्रेशन है, साथ में आप लोग ऐसे बातें कर रहे हो, फ्री टाइम एंजॉइंग फ्री टाइम
सेलिब्रेशन ही है ना।
राइट ये। और मैं तो बोलूंगी एवरीडे वी शुड सेलिब्रेट।
every day
वी शुड सेलिब्रेट। So if you would give one message to women in the society today, what message would it be?
That as a woman, try to be as natural as possible.
जेंडर इक्वलिटी में आपका क्या राय है?
वुमेन्स और मेंस को जनरल इक्वलिटी मिलनी चाहिए और ये जनरेशन में तो सबको मिल ही रहा है. Everyone is enjoying equality.
Okay.
The past time there was nothing about this, but now it's too good.
जनरेशन में भी चेंज हो गए और हम लोग भी फ्री हो गए. बड़ा फर्क भी पड़ रहा है. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा कि हम लोग पैक वो नहीं लग रहा.
पैक नहीं, अभी हम लोग फ्री हो गए एकदम. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग ऐसे घर पे बैठ बैठ के सब बातें करते थे, लेकिन अभी सब बाहर जाते हैं, इधर सब एंजॉय करते हैं.
सब वुमेन्स का और फर्क पड़ता था, अभी वो तो है ही नहीं.
Okay.
बहुत फर्क पड़ गया सब चीज.
Now, let's get a heartfelt perspective from my parents on Women's Day.
Worldwide, there is an increasing trend of more women participation in the top and an increasing effort to reduce gender discrimination. We all vote for that, and our effort should be in that direction so that we give more powers to the women.
To me, every day is Women's Day.
3 cheers to Women's Day, 3 cheers to women empowerment.
Happy Women's Day!
What about the future? The answer would be empowerment through action. Let's invest in girls' education, amplify women-led businesses, and normalize equality at home and work. Progress isn't just about one day, it's about daily choices to uplift women everywhere. Join the movement. Share stories of women who inspire you, support female creators, and let's build a world where every day is Women's Day. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and let us know in the comment section below what type of videos you would like us to make next. Till then, stay awesome.